In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can rename a file on your Samsung Galaxy device. The first step is to locate the Files app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. It usually is in your Samsung folder, so I will tap on my Samsung folder, and here you can see it says My Files. So I'll tap on My Files. At the top you'll see some recent files, and below that some categories. For this video I will rename an image, so let me choose this image here, and then once you're in the folder with the image or the file that you want to rename, long press on the file or the image, and here it says More with 3 vertical dots. Tap on that and then tap on Rename. Enter in the name that you would like to change the file to, and then select Rename. Now the file has been changed, and you can repeat that process for as many files as you want on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So that is how you rename a file on your Samsung Galaxy phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.